Hi everyone, Angela here. Today I'm going to show you my plant haul from my shopping tour, shopping video tour up in Kansas City, where I was earlier this morning. I thought that I would do it right away and show you guys everything that I brought home, starting with how they packaged it, because they were so fantastic. It was like a chilly 28 degrees outside. They wrapped up all of the plants and gave me care instructions and everything. So hi, I just want to dive right in and show you guys exactly what I found today. I'm so excited. Look at this, okay? Anyone who is a lover of Sansevierias knows, here we go, how incredible this find is here. They had a huge shipment of the shark, I think they're shark fins, some call them whale fins. Absolutely incredible. Look how big this is. This is standing right next to me. So beautiful, so excited. Everything that I got today was 20% off. So I walked out of there like floored. When he told me I only spent $150, I was like, what? So I was so excited. I ended up getting a pot for the Sansevieria, the whale fin, shark fin. I never remember what it's called. I think it's a shark fin. Anyways, I got this gorgeous pot for the, let's see, I'll put him in here for you guys to see. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but the outside edge has that beautiful caramel color. And so with the pot in real life, it just looks so stunning. I'm really excited about this guy. He's been on my wish list for a long time. Okay, and then I'm going to show you this big find here. This is fresh eucalyptus. I paid, let's see, I paid like $12 for it because it was 20% off, right? But it smells amazing. My car smells fantastic after 2 hours in there. My plan is to have this in the bathroom so that we get a little bit of the eucalyptus smell when you know, we're showering and steaming. Okay, I'm gonna move this guy out of the way because he is huge. Okay, now I have a little bit more room. Let me see if, okay, here we go. So I did something different today and I bought a bunch of like minis. Okay, look at this. This is a staghorn fern. I got this for, let's see, it was $6. It was $5.99 and 20% off, so total steal. I also grabbed this little guy here, a little lemon cypress. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with these in a little bit. But he was also $5.99, except 20% off on top of that. Then there is, oh, this little guy. He's a frosty fern. Look how cute and gorgeous that color is. He was $4.99 plus the 20% off. You can see all of his little roots coming out there. I just think he's so cute. Okay. And then the last one in this box is this gorgeous button fern. It's not a lemon button, just a button. So it's a little bit darker foliage. If you look at him against the cypress, look at that. So pretty. Sorry. Okay. Move the camera down a smidge so that you can see the rest of these. Here, I'll move them up here. Okay. Bear with me. So these, I got some poinsettias. I know it's like the 1st of November, but the prices were incredible and they had such a great stock. They were brand new, fresh. They gave me care instructions for the Christmas poinsettia along with a little bit about like the history of it, of poinsettias. So I thought that was a really neat addition to, you know, just selling poinsettias. So I'll have to read through that and make sure that I keep these alive because they are just not the ordinary poinsettias that you get at your grocery store. I got 3 of these. They're little minis. I forget what they call them. They're like little cuties or something. But look at that coloring. It's not just the red, but there's a deep burgundy right there, a deep burgundy leaf. So gorgeous. I ended up getting 3 of these because, hear me out, okay? I had this pot that I bought and haven't put anything in it yet. I'm gonna put my string of pearls in, but isn't that perfect? So great for the centerpiece on the kitchen table, and you can talk around it. That's the best part. Most of the time my centerpieces are so big that I have to move them off of the dinner table, which I think kind of defeats the purpose. So, whoops, now we have that guy and we'll be able to enjoy it while we're eating our meals. All right, I found a couple more that I could not pass up. I don't remember what this guy's called, but he's a little mini. Look, it's kind of like like the rabbit's foot fern, except, or like the kangaroo paw fern, except the variegation is totally different. And he's miniature. Look at how cute he is. Okay, and then now you guys all have known, I've killed one of these before. This is like the heart-shaped fern. I just think they're so delicate and I love the way they move. I've killed one. I've killed a lot of ferns. But as you can see, I'm starting new. I'm gonna try it again. There's no harm in trying again. I don't know, and I forgot to ask what these guys are, but I loved the white and green leaves. They're great. They look like they're gonna trail really well, which I'll show you what I'm gonna do with all of these in a minute here. But I got two other ones. I got a little, what is this? A crispy fern. Cute. He was $5.99, but then 20% off. So I thought he had such great like texture to him, but also one that I can probably keep alive a little easier. And then I don't know what this is. It looks like a peperomia, kind of like a watermelon, but I'm not entirely sure because it wasn't labeled. It was only $3.99. So total steal. Okay, that is my plant haul here. Let's see if you guys can see all of these. Okay, I got all of this. You think it's for like $150, like what, girl? Like that's too much money. But wait, because I also bought a huge terrarium. I'm so excited. I asked Dan if he would make me one of these like, I don't know, a year ago. And he said, yeah, of course, babe, no problem. And then, you know, it hasn't happened. So I went out and bought one and I'm so excited. So, sorry for all like the shoddy camera work here, guys. But I got all of these guys because except for the poinsettia and except for the sansevieria, all the rest of them are gonna go inside the terrarium. And I think that will help with the humidity. And then hopefully I'll be able to keep all of these gorgeous ferns alive because they're so beautiful. I love the colors, I love the textures, I love how delicate and fragile the stems and leaves are. But I always have such a terrible time keeping them alive. So hopefully the terrarium will help. I don't know when I'm gonna get around to planting them, hopefully this weekend. So I'll definitely create a video so that you all can see the finished product. And then you can all pray and wish with me that I can keep it all alive. So thank you guys again so much for tuning in. If you're new, please introduce yourself below because the whole reason I share all of these videos is so that I can grow my plant community, okay? I want to get to know you and I want you to get to know me. So drop a comment below and please subscribe so that you can see the terrarium video when I get it completed this weekend, all right? Thank you again. We'll see you guys in the next video.